Our train.
Unbelievable.
Shit. Yeah, creaseball. Westbound CN.
Yeah.
Oh, here, yeah. What number?
You gotta be kidding me.
What's the number?
Really?
Are you recording?
Not again.
What's the number?
Really? Unbelievable.
Yeah.
What?
2815.
Good idea.
Yeah.
2865 was the back one.
2865.
You're kidding me. And that's a long one too.
Wow.
What, Gabe?
First thinking?
Yeah.
Oh,
I didn't get the number on that one.
huh?
I didn't see the number.
What? Mom, what was the first?
I don't know, Gabe.
Oh, wait, the second one was 2865.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first one's 28 something.
I don't know.
Yeah. Is it recording good?
Yes.
Good.
Let's see how many people avoid this.
Freaked out.
You know? Oh, did that guy come behind us or? He's going back around.
Going
Yep,
towards
he's
Giants.
going back around. That's funny.
Yep, this is the one on the park.
That guy coming back around. He went through the circle.
That's silly. Is it recording, Mom?
Yeah, he's behind it.
Hey, Mom.
He went through the whole circle. What, Gabe?
Hey, Mom.
What?
Recording, right?
Yes.
Good.
That was funny. He went through the whole circle before he figured out to come in here.
You know what?
What?
There might be a male Lincoln. Yep. I don't know. Hope not.
What did you turn on those lights?
No, it's not going to stop.
Yeah, lots of people do. I always do if I can.
But yeah,
Why?
but on time. That's
Because
right.
it sucks for the car in front of you.
What?
Because it sucks for the car in front
Oh,
of you.
yeah.
My truck's got daytime running lights, they don't turn off.
Number car.
Uh-huh.
But in this car, I turn them off.
Yes. There we are. You don't see any cars like
It's
I
on
don't see any cars coming this way.
No, he kicked me in the head.
Yeah,
The
all the
arms.
place.
He got his feet stuck up here for a second.
I don't like that roundabout.
Well, the video will be going. What track is that? First one, second one?
Second.
Second. Cool. No, there was an eastbound on Gabe CSS and after Amtrak. Wait, what time is it?
12. Bedtime.
What?
Yeah.
Where's the end? I don't want my battery tonight. Fine. My battery's fine.
Nope.
Hey, Mom.
What?
It's gonna film a whole train, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it will. It will. You guys that lumber car right there? Have that cool car?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Okay. You know, is that one of them stuck out back?
I don't know.
Oh, no, it's not.
I was just wondering, that's all.
Put the car off again.
I still see them all the way down there.
No, what are you doing?
You know what?
What? That
cool.
would have been way off.
You know.
Oh, he's on.
Cool.
Oh, yeah. Alright, where's your gauge block? I want a gauge block.